So if you are here, I perceive that you have watched my other videos on how to sign up under my co-founder, Stephen Day. It's very easy to do. I'm using a desktop here. You will see the name Stephen Day as your referrer. How we use ChatGPT powered 7x7 multi-level marketing to implement Matthew 7, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm not going to talk much about the profound revelation on why you should not sell kingdom businesses to people who don't value good things, who don't value the teachings of Jesus Christ. I explained that inside the video. Now, this is where we are. Once you are here, you can actually just click on this button, Add to Cart. I don't want to go down. Add to Cart. You click on it. So if you are using a desktop, you will see a pop-up. You have added how we use ChatGPT powered 7x7 MLM to implement Matthew 7, verse 6, 7, and 8 to your shopping cart. Now you will click on your shopping cart here, or you just close this. You close this menu. You drop it down. You see your shopping cart is now saying one item or one items added. One items added. What do you need to do next? You will click on the shopping cart itself. It shows the item that have been added. Next, you click on checkout. That is all it takes. When you clicked on checkout, it will offer you opportunities to register as a new customer if you are not yet registered. Okay. So you go ahead and do the needy. You come here to register account. You click on continue. It will bring up the process for you to register your detailed information. You can register as a downline or prospect, your company name, anything you want to do. This is the power of our platform. You will then click you agree, and you are not a robot. So now what will happen when you register, it will automatically place you under Steve Day as your upline or you as his referrer. To now finish the shopping your item or to complete your order, it will direct you back to this place. Or if you are now coming back to this place, you are not going to be coming as a new customer. You'll be coming as somebody with an account. Okay, let's go back on that. To check out, assuming you are a returning customer, you will now choose you are a returning customer. And then you will put your email address you used to register. I want to use that one. Your password, you put your password and then you log in. So, your new shopping cart will change depending on the items you have. I have actually placed some items in the past which I didn't order, so I will remove those items. I will click this I will actually go down, let's see, go down and review the items. Review the items. So here, I have item 1. I want to order this, which I already placed. I have another item which I used as a demo in the past. I will click that to remove it. I have another paid item which is not a 0. I will click that and remove that. I now have this item which is 0. If I order it, it's not going to charge me or ask me for credit card or anything. The demo is to help you. So you see, when you scroll down to the bottom, you will see checkout. But make sure before you check out that you completed everything properly. I will say checkout here. Click on checkout. It will take me through some process. You have to complete them yourself. You say continue. Keep on clicking on continue until you check out. It will show you free shipping, which means there is no cost involved. 0. You click continue here at the bottom, and that should be all. We don't use DPO. We still click on continue. I'm sorry about that. That is how the system works. And then you order the product. When you click on continue still, you see your order has been processed. Okay, so you can then, if you have had it, it has also actually notified me. You can then click on my account or history and so on, but it takes 48 hours for us to approve all orders, whether it is 0 orders or orders with a monetary value. So be patient and wait for us. Between 24 to 48 hours, we will approve your order. You will now be placed under Steve D. Thank you. This is how it works.